Here are some powerful quotes from Martin Luther King Jr. that will shake your soul and awaken your spirit. Number 1. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This quote is from his letter from Birmingham jail. In this letter, he talks about how segregation and racial discrimination is not just wrong in theory, but it's also dangerous for everyone. No. 2. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. This is, of course, from his famous I Have a Dream speech. It is a dream that resonates with all of us who want a world that is more just and equitable. No. 3. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. This quote is from his Strength to Love sermon. It reminds us that true character is revealed when we stand up for what is right, even when it's hard.